What's up, everyone? Let's talk some Shiba Inu and three key factors that can spark a big Shiba Inu rally. Okay, let's get into it. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below, smash that like button, and please remember, not financial advice. All right, but this is what we're looking into, right? Three key factors that can spark a big SHIB rally. Okay, recently, as we all know, the disappointment kind of on the charts. We've seen a lot of developments coming out from the SHIB team, what they're kind of unveiling, what they're busting out. But as SHIB is struggling to get back up into that 402 mark, right now trading hands at 401719 at the time of this recording. This is when we've seen, a little bit of a surge, but not necessarily to hang your hat on. But what we're talking about here is something bigger. The three factors that can drive SHIB's price, okay, and kind of get back to those levels where we were at a March high of 4045, and that's where people were talking about, getting back to even all-time highs from those levels. But we've since receded a little bit. We've fallen down below that 4020 mark, and this is kind of what we're looking into. The first factor out there is Binance's continued support of SHIB. That's where Binance delisted the TUSD trading spot pair on June 28th, citing low volume and liquidity. Okay. They've dismissed a claim personally from the Shiba Inu team, and this is something where, they have not delisted the token completely, and confirming that they can still trade SHIB on Binance using other spot trading pairs. So that's been something kind of impacting, the market. Binance having support of SHIB in full capacity is going to be something that is very much necessary, okay? Especially when the exchange has a trading volume of over $9.66 billion. We all know it's the biggest crypto trading platform there is globally. Okay, also Coinbase Derivatives launching a regulated SHIB futures contract. That's going to be a huge one. Okay, they filed that application with the United States CFTC to launch a futures contract for SHIB under a self-certification model. So that is scheduled to be for July 15th. That's a huge catalyst, giving more users exposure to Shiba Inu. All right, and then the last one is Grayscale and how they spotlighted SHIB as the top 10 most valuable assets in the digital asset market. Okay, that's going to have a huge uptick. We all know the magnitude of Grayscale, and to have Shiba Inu in the top 10 most valuable tokens, that would have a very much a big implication. So we need to maintain that ranking, having about $10 billion in terms of evaluation, which would be in that 10th spot year to date. That would be a huge one, okay? That had a lot of reactions from Shiba Inu enthusiasts, describing the feat as remarkable, given Grayscale's relevance in the financial sector, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, okay? So that's kind of what is important, not necessarily going to be that crypto crystal ball that you guys, and myself included, that we all covet, okay? But these four aforementioned factors that we all talked about could be things that are necessary to have SHIB's price gear themselves up for a rally, all right? And that's kind of what we're monitoring. We talked about July 15th. We have that, that derivatives within Coinbase launching within the SHIB futures contracts, and also getting Binance back into the fold in full support of SHIB. So a lot of cool stuff happening in the month or the year of 2024. I can't believe we've already started July. It's July 1st here. So we're going to continue to monitor the chart. We look at SHIB a little bit on CoinMarketCap. You can see where we're at right here, right now, up 1.13% on the day. That 4017 mark. So over the course of the year, though, it's important to understand that we are still up. We are still up from February. We're not at these levels that we were at in March, but still nothing really to balk at when we talk about. I'd rather be where we were at right now at 4017 than these dark days where we were at these kind of yearly lows at that 5069 mark. So all things to keep in mind. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you all subscribe to the channel. We do talk crypto every single day, but I appreciate you guys all watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.